Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A two-bedroom prefab home design refers to a dwelling that is manufactured off-site in a controlled factory setting and then transported to its final location for assembly. The two-bedroom aspect is a sweet spot in modern architecture, offering a versatile layout that typically includes a primary suite, a secondary bedroom for guests, children, or a home office, and an open-concept living area. Unlike traditional stick-built homes, these designs rely on precision engineering and modular sections. This approach allows for a wide range of aesthetic possibilities, from sleek, minimalist boxes to cozy, traditional-looking cottages, all while maintaining a footprint that is both manageable and highly functional for modern families or individuals. Opting for a two-bedroom prefab home comes with a multitude of advantages, with speed and sustainability being at the forefront. Because the components are built in a factory, construction isn't delayed by weather, allowing you to move into your new home much faster than with traditional methods. Furthermore, factory settings significantly reduce material waste, making it a much greener choice for the environmentally conscious homeowner. These homes are often more energy efficient due to tighter seals and better insulation standards used during the manufacturing process. From a lifestyle perspective, a two-bedroom layout is incredibly cost-effective to maintain while providing enough space to grow, making it an ideal investment for first-time buyers or those looking to downsize without sacrificing style. To make a two-bedroom prefab home look truly high-end, the secret lies in the layering of textures and the integration of the landscape. Start by defining the transition between the home and the earth with a high-quality deck. Wood or composite materials work wonders to soften the clean lines of a modular structure. Incorporating large glass panels or sliding doors not only connects the interior to the outdoors, but adds a reflective, luxury quality to the facade. Consider adding architectural lighting, such as uplights for trees or sleek sconces by the entryway, to create depth at night. Using potted greenery of varying heights near the entrance can also ground the house, giving it a permanent, custom-built feel that blends seamlessly with its surroundings. The facade is the face of your home, and with prefab designs, you have several stunning styles to choose from. The modern minimalist style is currently a favorite, featuring flat roofs, monochromatic color palettes, and large windows. If you prefer something warmer, the Japandi or Scandinavian facade combines light timber cladding with dark metal accents for a cozy yet sophisticated look. For a more rugged, contemporary vibe, the industrial chic style uses corrugated metal siding, concrete panels, and matte black frames. Alternatively, a transitional facade can blend traditional gabled roofs with modern siding materials, offering a timeless appeal that fits well in both rural and suburban settings. Choosing the right facade depends on your environment. Cool grays and blacks suit rocky or wooded areas, while warm woods and whites excel in coastal or garden settings. Now, let's look at some stunning inspiration. Here are the top 10 best two-bedroom prefab home design ideas that you can use for your next project. One, the coastal concrete pavilion. This design showcases a stunning minimalist rectangular silhouette with a concrete textured upper facade that exudes strength and modernity. The large floor-to-ceiling glass doors invite the ocean views inside, while the expansive timber wraparound deck provides the perfect platform for outdoor lounging. The use of natural wood siding tucked under the concrete overhang creates a beautiful contrast, making this two-bedroom prefab feel like a high-end luxury villa. 2. The modern farmhouse cottage. Marked by a classic gabled roof and vertical gray siding, This prefab design offers a contemporary twist on the traditional cottage. The white-framed windows and porch pillars provide a crisp, clean aesthetic that pops against the lush green landscape. It features a welcoming front porch that extends the living space outdoors, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate a balance of classic architecture and modern modular efficiency. 3. The Mountain View Glass Gallery. This ultra-modern two-bedroom prefab is a masterclass in transparency and horizontal design. Featuring a flat roof and a dark metal frame, the home is almost entirely wrapped in glass, allowing the breathtaking mountain backdrop to become part of the interior decor. A raised wooden walkway leads to a spacious deck, emphasizing a lifestyle that is deeply connected to nature and open-air living. 4. The Stone and Timber Multi-Level. Combining organic textures with modern geometry, this design uses stacked stone pillars and warm timber ceilings to create a sophisticated, earthy vibe. The multi-level deck architecture includes a built-in outdoor kitchen and bar area, proving that two-bedroom prefab homes can be the ultimate space for entertaining. The integration of a stone chimney adds a vertical element that gives the home a grand, established presence. 5. The Twin Gable Scandi Black. This design features a striking twin gabled silhouette with deep charcoal corrugated metal siding. The large triangular windows at the gable ends maximize natural light and give the home a unique architectural identity. Surrounded by a neatly manicured lawn and low-maintenance ornamental grasses, this prefab exemplifies the less is more philosophy, offering a sleek and private sanctuary. 6. The Slanted Roof Timber Retreat. Showcasing a dynamic shed roof design, this home uses vertical timber planks and black metal frames to create a chic, asymmetrical look. The split-volume layout separates the living and sleeping quarters visually, while a dark-stained wooden deck ties the whole structure together. It's a perfect example of how small-footprint prefab homes can use bold angles to create a sense of spaciousness and style. 7. The Monochromatic Forest Cabin. This two-bedroom prefab features a unique interlocking roofline that creates a bold, geometric facade. The dark siding is contrasted by thick gray trim, giving the home a framed, artistic appearance. Tucked away in a wooded setting, the large windows and simple deck area make it an ideal retreat for those looking for a modern home that doesn't compete with the beauty of the surrounding forest. 8. The L-shaped Prairie Modular. Utilizing an L-shaped floor plan, this design creates a private courtyard feel even in an open landscape. The combination of light cream siding and vertical wood accents helps the home blend into dry, grassy environments. The extensive flat roof sections and recessed lighting under the eaves provide a clean, mid-century modern aesthetic that is both functional and visually captivating. 9. The Desert Minimalist Cube. This stark white, flat-roof prefab is designed to stand out against rugged terrain. The modular segments are arranged to create various outdoor rooms on a concrete base, featuring a dining area and sun loungers. The minimalist white exterior reflects heat, making it a practical and stylish choice for desert or high-sun environments where clean lines and cooling are priorities. 10. The Industrial Wood and Steel Fusion. Featuring a beautiful blend of dark corrugated metal and warm vertical wood slats, this design is the epitome of industrial chic. The recessed entryway and wide wooden deck create a welcoming transition into the home. With a fire pit area integrated into the foreground, this two-bedroom prefab highlights how thoughtful exterior planning can turn a modular house into a complete lifestyle destination. The world of two-bedroom prefab homes is expanding rapidly, offering a perfect blend of style, sustainability, and speed. Whether you are drawn to the rugged look of industrial steel or the warmth of natural timber, these designs prove that you don't need a massive footprint to have a massive impact. By choosing the right facade and focusing on your exterior landscaping, you can create a factory-built home that looks and feels like a custom-designed masterpiece tailored specifically to your lifestyle. If you found these two-bedroom prefab designs inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, make sure to check out our other videos on small house hacks and modern interior trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.